NovaClick tutorial, how to use as beginner. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to use NovaClick. So let's start from the beginning. Now first things first, how do you use NovaClick? Now you could easily use NovaClick by visiting tradeonnova.io over here and click it on NovaClick option over here. After that, click on setting up over here so we could see a guide on how we could install this onto our browser. You can also watch your video over here if you prefer, but simply click on our tradeonnova.io over here. Click on download for extension. We could also connect the Telegram over here so we could trade with our Chrome extension. So this is a two-part thing. So after that, so click on add to Opera or whatever browser you're currently using. And over here as well, click on open Telegram desktop. Then you can see here our Nova. Click on start on this section, but as you can see, user not found yet. So we're going to go back into our browser over here. We now have our NovaClick. So simply click on NovaClick, turn it on. As you can see, it will now allow us. So we can simply click on join queue over here. And you're going to have to wait as you can see, but we could check out in their website on information on what will happen next in their guide over here in their setting up guide. So we are able to connect it as you can see. After connecting it or after connecting with NovaClick, we should be able to preset our extension, but as of now, we can't yet, as you can see. And after that, you can easily navigate your decks. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.